Hello and welcome to your gardening week. Well, it's been very hot, hasn't it? Stating the obvious, I know, but it's meant that we've got plenty of watering that we've been doing, keeping the plants looking good. But there are lots of flowers coming and the runner beans are starting to produce some little babies. So hopefully I've managed to keep on top of the watering and keeping my plants healthy and performing well. But one of the things that I have neglected to do is to keep an eye on my tree ferns. I've got to get in there and water them. So get into the crown of the tree fern and put a good slosh of water into that crown where the leaves have come from, where the fronds have come from. Get that really moist, let it run down the side of the plant, give the base of the plant a jolly good soaking as well, and that should keep it going for another few weeks. Keep on top of it though, because you don't want to lose such a valuable and also expensive to replace plant. I'm also going to be deadheading my bedding plants. Now these have been performing so well in this beautiful weather, but they've been kept well watered and well fed and they're pumping out the flowers, but those flowers fade quite quickly in all this heat. So every day I'm going out and I'm pinching off the dead flowers to keep them looking at their best. And the last job for this week is to harvest the fruit. Do you know what? My gooseberries have been good this year and they're ripened to a beautiful consistency. They almost taste as soft and as sweet as grapes. They're absolutely beautiful. So if you've ever thought that you didn't like gooseberries, make sure that you taste a really ripe one because they're a different thing altogether. So I'm just going out with a colander and simply picking off each of the fruit individually, taking care not to crush them. So there's my roundup of things to be doing this week in the garden. Quite a brief one, I know, because there's so much watering to be getting on with that I've got to get back to it. But if you need any more reminders of what to do in your garden, then look back on this YouTube channel at all the gardening jobs over the last few weeks, because many of those are relevant to the summer at the moment. In the meantime, happy gardening.